walking into a Category 1 hurricane.
We're going to the beach and we're gonna look at the waves. Burritos and just vibing out here at the house, and yeah. What is up guys, it's CK Vlogs here, back with another video guys. And today guys, we are still at the beach, but it looks like it's gonna start storming outside. As you can see, I don't know if you can really see the wind and stuff picking up. Our hurricane is actually coming up the coast right now. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye out on that. We're gonna keep you guys updated. So yeah. We got flashlights over here just in case the power goes out.
Guys,
why?
Wait, let me get my umbrella. We are walking into a Category 1 hurricane.
Literally.
Literally. Oh my gosh. Did you grab her one? Got my umbrella, you know? We'll be thriving. But we're literally walking into it.
Yeah. We're barely making it in 75-mile-per-hour winds. And Isle of Palms, South Carolina, me and Caitlin are hanging in there and we're making it. Right for us! Yes. We're going to the beach and we're gonna look at the waves and see what we can see down here at the beach.
This is crazy.
I know, so crazy. All right, here we go. So guys, it is currently 3:30 in the afternoon and the hurricane is still pouring down rain over here at the Isle of Palms. So yeah, it's been really great. Caitlin's over here eating some Doritos and just vibing out here at the house. And yeah, I'm actually rewatching the Outer Banks season with my dad. I love that show, it's amazing. So yeah, we're just vibing out here and yeah.
Guys, literally, it's about an hour later since Caleb was vlogging. Look how crazy. It's really hard to see on the camera, but a minute ago, did you see that, Caleb?
Yeah.
There was a huge wind gust and it took the trees and it just went that way and I was like, whoa.
Yeah, it's really bad.
It's about to get, wait Dad, when did you say the worst part is gonna be?
Within the next couple of hours.
Oh, okay. I've literally just been watching videos for the past like 4 hours. It's super unhealthy, but whatever.
Yeah.
What else are we supposed to do, so. Yeah.
I've just been eating the whole day.
Alright guys, so it is currently the next day and look at the weather. You can barely even tell that there was a hurricane. So we're gonna go down to the beach right now. Caleb's already over there. And yeah, I'm gonna bring the GoPro. We're gonna film some footage for you guys on the GoPro and stuff. So yeah, let's go down to the beach.
What's up guys? So now we are going to bury Caitlin in the sand. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. So yeah, Caitlin, are you excited over here? You excited?
Yeah.
Sure, alright, bet, here we go. So Ken, how are you liking it so far? You a little,
Yeah.
bed, yeah.
I'm just vibing.
Yeah, we're almost done. So yeah, we'll show you guys the finished progress. So guys, Caitlin, this is her finished progress right here.
Honestly, this is really comfortable.
She says it's really comfortable. She could stay here all day.
Okay, wait, count down for when I should play.
Alright, we're gonna do a countdown here from 10, 9, 8,
Speed it up a little bit.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here she goes. She's up now, she's gonna go So yeah guys, overall I think that went pretty well. It's literally freezing!
Come on, guys.
3, 2, 1. Wait, this way's right here. 3, 2, 1.
Going back in the water.
Do it! Oh! Wait, not right here. Hold on. Wait, right here. We're gonna go right here. Like the foot trash.